Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape part design tutorials for exercise number 7. Click sketch and I will choose the right plane. Okay, you can draw lines, start from origin point to the top, set for length 127 and create again line object from origins to x-axis 127. The next, use the offset tools. Click this icon offset. Select the lines and change for the direction. Click set for the offset distance 12,7. Use line command to connect between point in the top and in the side here. Now to convert into 3D, use the extrude tools. Set for the dips 127. Click OK. Now we'll draw rectangle in center of this face. You can select, create sketch, and create rectangle from the center point. Okay, sort in the middle of this line. Sort again in here. Move into the center point. Click, and for the dimension, you can set a 60, another 60. You use extrude tools and change into remove option. Click OK. Now at this face, I will create the triangle. Select the face. Click sketch and use the polygon tools with seam scribe polygon. Okay, sort again in the top here, hold, and then in the left, move in the center point, click and set for side into 3. Click again, and then for the diameter set 80 point. Click OK. Now use the extrude tools again, change remove, and click OK. Now we'll draw triangles in this face. You can select, create sketch, use the line tools, create the triangle, use extrude tools to convert into 3D, change the direction, set for dips 12,7. Click OK. And for another side, we create rectangle, select this face, sketch, choose corner rectangle, and click from these points to the bottom here. Use the extrude again, change the direction, set for dips 12,7. Click OK to apply. Now we create circles from this face, sketch, and create circles in the middle point. Set for the diameter 60. Click OK. Now use the extrude tools, change the remove options, and then move the arrows into here. So it will be cut the two sides. Click OK to apply. After it, you can select at this edge and we fillet with radius 50. Click OK. And that's it for a basic Onshape part design tutorials for exercise number 7. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.